Item number 2. My lord, this is my affidavit of service. All have been served, my lord, duly.
You are appearing?
Your lordship, yeah, on the last occasion.
My lord, I am,
This is the report from the state manager, Kalyani.
my lord, I am placing a faithful story of a senior citizen employee, my lord.
I'm
Who?
also handing over this.
Acha, আমি একটু বলে নিই।
All right, now you place.
Yes, my lord, a faithful story, my lord. Even after unblemished service, my lord, the petitioner have been deprived of the pension and pensionary benefit without any reason, not even, my lord, pending of any disciplinary proceedings. My lord, now I am pressing, my lord. Petitioner, my lord, is the retired employee of the, my lord, respondent number 2, that is, my lord, estate manager, Kollani. Now, my lord, if my lord kindly turn to my lord annexure, page 24, it is the, my lord, retirement order, page
number?
24. The petitioner have been, my lord, allowed to retire, my lord, on and from 31st July 2022. Now, my lord, what happened during the, it is a fact that during the service tenure, petitioner have took some loan, certain amount of loan from the, my lord, respondent credit society, that is, my lord, respondent number 4, Kollani Estate Manager Employees Cooperative Credit Society. But, my lord, petitioner time to time, even, my lord, after retirement, have, my lord, paid a considerable amount, which is, my lord, evident from, my lord, my page 27 and 28. Now, my lord, what happened?
Just 1 second, let me go through. I have understood.
কি বলেছে দেখ এটা।
No, you have to give a statement about how much loan you have taken and how much you.
Yes, my lord, that has
you
been
have-
given and annexed in the writ petition, my lord. Kindly come 1025.
Yes.
There
You
is
have
at the
seen their report instructions.
page 25, serial number 1, my lord. This is the petitioner, Samar Mukherjee, as on, this is the, my lord, statement as on 31st March 2022. Samar Mukherjee, interest, my lord, with principal.
No, this is the second amount. This 8,42,000.
It is the interest
Yes.
on the principal. My
Yes.
total amount, my lord, as on 31st March 2022, my lord, 30,
There are two components.
30 lakhs,
One is 21,81,000.
yes,
That is the principal amount of the loan.
is, yes.
As on 31st March 2022, and rupees 8,42,809 is the interest amount. Now you tell me how much you have paid out of that amount.
My lord, kindly, if my lord, kindly, my lord, but during the, my lord, service,
Because in your savings account, you say there is a sum of 27 lakhs 9,000.
yes,
That is what you have said, but then nothing No amount has been found in your savings account.
My lord, during my service tenure, my lord, amount of loan has been deducted from my salary. Thereafter, my lord, kindly, if my lord,
I
kindly
am
come.
so sorry, sir. You have to show me documents.
Yes, my lord, I am showing, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly come, my lord, annexure 26 and 27.
Yes.
That is, my lord, I have, well, after retirement, I have,
After deducting, after everything,
yes,
a sum of rupees 81,000 on
Yes.
principal amount
yes.
and 8 lakhs and odd on account of interest is due and payable by.
In this respect, my lord, want to submit one thing, that no detailed statement of my loan amount, which I have as a matter of right entitled to receive, has been supplied to me, even after, my lord, my repeated representation. That is, my lord, one thing. My lord, now I want
You
to.
have taken the loan, sir, and you do not know how much loan amount,
My
what is your loan amount and how much money you have
Yes, my
repaid.
lord, principle I know, but my lord, as on date, I
You do not have to
repeatedly,
go by as on date. You go by March 2022, which you have yourself
from 22,
annexed in the writ petition.
yes, from 2022 after retirement, my lord, I do not have any control, my lord. Seven except I do not have any control over the office, my lord. Seven except they will supply me the
You have no
details.
control. You are saying that there is 27 lakhs in your savings account. There is no money found in your savings account. How are you going to pay
My
the
lord-
loan amount?
My lord, kindly, it is my specific submission today in court, my lord. The petitioner want to return the loan amount. He want to return and repay the loan amount. Subject to,
How?
my lord, I am coming, my lord. My lord, there is a provision. What provision? If any member, my lord, with loan, my lord, retired, whether the pension and pensionary benefit can be retained by the authority, I am showing. My lord, kindly take, my lord, section 59 of the cooperative. I'm reading, my lord.
Yes. Read.
Kindly see, my lord.
Hmm.
What is the specific provision is saying? My lord, I'm reading. Deduction of dues to cooperative societies from members and sureties. My lord, I'm reading. 59 1. A member of a cooperative society may execute an agreement. I am ready to execute an agreement in
And
favor.
first of all, how is this maintainable here? Under the Societies Registration Act, how is it maintainable
Because, my lord,
here?
credit society is registered under the, my lord, respondent number 4 is registered under this act, my lord. Respondent number 4,
Where is 102?
my lord.
102 of this act.
A dispute regarding, my lord, management and control
Yes.
business, my lord. But
Business and affairs.
yes, my lord.
Yes.
But, my lord, the section 59, my lord, specific provision is there, my lord, regarding the, my lord, payment of dues. Kindly, my lord, look at the section, my lord. Kindly subject.
First, you say how is it maintainable here? 102. How after 102? How is it maintainable before this court?
Because, my lord, the respondent authority, my lord, violating the specific statutory provision have been withheld, my lord, my pensionary benefit. Even I want to repay the loan subject to agreement, which has been specifically stated in the 59 from the retiring gratuity. Kindly, my lord, for a moment, kindly take the one, lord, section 59, my lord.
You have not yet answered 102. All right. I'll read 59.
I may be wrong, my lord. I'm learning from my lord. But I am not an employee of the
Sorry, so
cooperative
I
society, my
am
lord.
not with you.
My lord.
I am not with you in this matter. You cannot take this kind of a loan and you cannot say that they can recover from your savings account and no money is
Not
found.
savings account, my lord. My retiring gratuity payable to me. Kindly see, my lord, what 59 is saying, my lord.
No, first you see what their instructions are saying.
And they have
Page number 3 of the instructions, last paragraph, kindly read that first. Useless repetition.
That is, my lord, is also a question to question of mine, my lord. How these 27, my lord, how 27 lakhs come from? While, my lord, there is no audit.
I am going to dismiss.
That is
this
my
writ-
question to
I am
myself.
dismissing this writ petition.
No,
The
my-
only thing is that whether with costs or without costs.
My lord-
Let me first read 59. You take,
My
you
lord,
hold your
kindly-
breath.
my lord, kindly
Whether
take a
this should
look.
be dismissed with or without costs, that is only what I am thinking.
My lord, kindly consider, my lord.
Absolutely not.
My lord,
Absolutely
in a
not.
starving condition,
This
my
kind
lord.
of a person, if the court helps,
No, my lord, I want to repay, my lord. Kindly, my lord, record my submission, my lord.
that you have been telling them for a long time. But you are saying that you have 27 lakhs 69,000 in your savings bank account and no money is found there.
My lord, is there any proceedings against me for that reason? I'm asking
So
to
that
myself.
is why they will have to give you the pension,
No,
even if you do not
No,
pay
my
them
lord,
the debt.
that should not affect my pensionary benefit, my lord.
All right.
Kindly consider,
All
if
right.
my lord, kindly consider 59, my lord, I'm reading, my lord, 59.
No, please let me read.
Whatever dues is, my lord, that is to be recovered from my retainer benefit.
Will you allow me to read or not?
Pardon me.
You first repay the loan with 12% interest as per this act and then you come.
Yes, I will, my lord. I will, my lord. But my lord, if I have no
Absolutely
capacity
not.
unless and until my retainer benefit is being released, my lord, how
The
can I,
state
my lord?
respondents have not taken a point of maintainability of the writ petition. Full stop. Next. The petitioner's case is that he has retired from service with effect from July 31, 2022. Full stop. Despite his superannuation in July 2022, the petitioner has not been given his pensionary benefits for more than 1 year.
But one thing I want to add, I have received, my lord, by provident fund and leave salary, my lord, amount.
The petitioner has received the dues with regard to provident fund and leave salary. Full stop. Next. ওনার নামটা দিয়ে দেবেন, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner places strong reliance on section 59 of the West Bengal Cooperative Societies Act 2006, in order to contend that the pensionary dues of the petitioner could not be stopped, even if, full stop দেবেন না, even if a loan amount was outstanding. Full stop. Next. Written instructions are handed over in court by the state respondents. Full stop. It appears from the said written instructions that the petitioner took a loan of rupees 30, 23, that the petitioner is liable to pay a sum of rupees 30, 23, 809 on account of the loan that was taken by him. Full stop. The petitioner also failed to show as the chairman of EME, CCS within bracket, estate managers, employees apostrophe, cooperative credit society limited, bracket closed. That he had given a final account of cash in hand of the society amounting to rupees 27, 69, 200, full stop. The petitioner was unable to give the final account of the cash in hand of the society in details, full stop. In view thereof, action was also in view thereof, it was recommended by the estate manager, UD and MA department that action could be taken against the petitioner, full stop. When the petitioner was asked for clarification at the next hotse, the petitioner submitted a letter dated March 28, 2023, giving an undertaking that the loan amount, if any outstanding, could be adjusted from the gratuity amount payable to the petitioner as specified in the West Bengal Cooperative Societies Act, 2006, 1983, full stop. For 1983, full stop. In the event the amount of loan is adjusted from the gratuity amount, the petitioner would have no objection thereto, full stop. A letter was issued by the estate manager to the chairman / secretary of the ECCS Limited regarding the amount of loan due and payable by the petitioner, full stop. The loan statement was not handed over to that office, full stop. By a letter dated June 14, 2022, the inquiry officer and the cooperative development officer within bracket HQ, bracket closed, submitted that the principal amount of loan in the name of the petitioner amounted to rupees 21, 81,000 as on March 31, 2022, and rupees 8, 42,809 as on March 31, 2022, full stop. Furthermore, an amount of rupees 27, 69, 200 was the cash in hand of the petitioner. Was the cash in hand that was retained by the petitioner as the chairman of ECCS, for which no account has been given, full stop. Neither could it be found in his savings bank account, full stop. Next. Payment of gratuity act. এখানে payment of gratuity act. Under section 4 of the Payment of Gratuity Act, the employer shall be entitled to forfeit from the gratuity amount of an employee whose service may have been terminated for an act constituting an offense of moral turpitude, or whose service has been terminated for any act, willful omission or negligence causing damage or loss to or destruction of the property belonging to the employer to the extent of such damage or loss, full stop. Under section 59 of the 2006 Act, the the employer or the drawing and disbursing officer shall be competent to deduct from the salaries or wages or retiring gratuity or debt gratuity payable by the employer to the employee in order to pay the amount of loan stroke debt taken, amount of loan taken from the cooperative society, or the amount of debt payable to the cooperative society, full stop. Next. You are also representing the employer?
I'm only on behalf of the state.
Next. Considering the submissions of the parties, this court directs another service of the notice of the writ petition on the employer stroke is the Kalyani Estate Managers Employees apostrophe Cooperative Credit Society Limited, intimating the adjourned date of hearing, full stop. Next. The employer will file a short report on affidavit indicating the amount of gratuity that is due and payable to the petitioner, full stop. let the matter come up for further consideration under the say heading motion on December 4, 2023, bolded, when a proof of service will be filed by the petitioner, by the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. Full stop. Next. At Prothome, written instructions as handed over in court today be retained with the records. Full stop. Next. Call as server copy.
But for employer, she is appearing, my lord. On,
She's saying no.
no, no, no,
I got
the
the
employer is the
instruction,
state, my
Your
lord.
Lordship, I got the instruction from
No,
them.
it is not
I
the
contacted
it
them
is
the
and,
state.
but
You
this is
are,
the,
you are, the
this is the
employer
fact
is
that-
the state, then go before the SAT.
No, 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 my lord, it is my,
Then why,
Uh,
why are you making unnecessary
I- I-
submissions?
I-
The employer
can't-
is the state.
I can't mislead the court now, Your Lordship.
Please wait, madam. We all can't speak at the same time. The employer is the state.
yes, my lord, it is my lord, Kolani Estate manager
Yes.
means under the, my lord,
It is the
urban
state.
development and municipal affairs, my lord.
Then go.
No, my lord, that is not my intention, my lord. But
It is a different, it is a public undertaking under the state. If you're a state government employee, you go there.
no, no, my. And one thing I with folded and praying, my lord, kindly record my submission that loan amount has been, loan statement has been given to me.
I
And
should reiterate,
my lord, I have been allowed to superannuate on my retirement.
you should pay costs for not repaying the amount of loan. Moreover, 27 lakhs, it was cash at hand. You have not given the amount.
My lord, I want to. Pay,
You
my-
please pay costs for filing this kind of a writ petition.
I'm grateful,
my
Your
lord,
Lordship.
returnable date, my lord. Huh?